Mami ga. Kamusta yung duwa? How's your...
Winner! Nagkuha namin din. Winner me. Nagkuha namin sa mga roleplay.
Oh, really? Sige, go. Explain to me what you did today since Mommy is away. Come on.
We were playing a game like there are only
You are the game master?
I was the game master of...
Yeah, magawas ka. Pero kapag-ingon niya niya, mas mayo hindi mag-t-shirt. So today is the second day of our youth camp and our activity for today. So it's our second day and it's already afternoon this morning. I was in Cebu City. I had to go somewhere and Tony was left with the campers and they had games. So I'm back. So we're doing our evangelism activity now in the mall. Sige, naglakaw ako sa pangita, oh. Dahil nagpangita, asa yun lang ma-share. So far, ako nagkuhan, naglagsig-lakaw-lakaw.
Nakita sila timing siguro.
Oo. Ikaw, have you tried this? Anya? Sa kayo, buhatan nila, tangalan eh. Pag-ungguan nila, apply na ka diri.
Oh my soul!
Leadership sa sila.
Salamatan yung sinong salamat po nabuutan ng Diyos.
Nabuutan na, hindi na kaya nagsabutubad na ako. Tubad mo na.
Namay Ginoo. Usap na mo. Amen.
Salamatan.
That's the senior. Fellowship po sila. Then, the youth are swimming. Ako, nagkaon ko kayo. Adyo ko ikaw, di bukadlaw ka ng igo lang makaon para masud ang tambal sa akong lawas. I'm so haggard, as in haggard, Jude. I'm so fat. Walay tulog.
What do you like?
Mom!
Yes.
Flip.
Okay, sleep with Daddy. Where do you sleep?
There, on the floor.
Hey, beside me.
Sige na. Good night na.
Beside me or mommy?
Bye, good night. Good night.
Kuha ko na yun na.
Love.
Kuha. Ay, naku.
Noah is no longer our love.
Huy! Sige na, good night everyone. At, why are you mad, ate?
Oo, saan na yun eh?
Why are you mad?
Mad lang nga.
You mad? Ay, can you said something man to her? Not respecting her mom and ano,
They are doing
Lola Mi.
this. They say that you are not a good girl. We don't want you to be like that because we love you. That's why we have to cut that.
Victoria. Baru kag tiger lain nga. Oh.
She thinks that she is right.
Sure you're gonna stay with your daddy. Tao-tao dapat mahigdan ako dito, mangita ka na ako. No, come here na. Come here na.
I said why?
Because I cannot sleep without you.
Why?
I love you.
Why, Mama?
Because you're my pillow.
I'm not a pillow.
Ay,
I'm
ako.
not that.
Pagdali na, let's go. You don't sit there. Sige, come on, let's go. Ay,
I'm
nako.
fit here.
Matagak na. Pagdali na ka.
I'm fit here.
Let's go na.
I'm fit here.
Okay, you sit there. I'll turn off the light, ha? Bantay, ngita ka na ko. Okay. Sige. Sige, you go there. Go there to your daddy. Go to your daddy.
Mommy.
Okay.
Ma.
Go to your daddy.
Ma.
What?
Tomorrow, do not give the chips to the youth when I'm not awake yet.
Das Lola Mi.
You want to go to sleep with daddy?
Yeah, kami
You
na.
want to go to your daddy?
Because you.
Oh, also because you.
Because
We love
you.
What?
Giselle.
Because you.
Kami lang ang
And
Mami
a
Giselle.
TV
We
there
love
my
lang.
house.
Asos, di dahil ang rason niya po, di ko na siya mukha na ko. Balik ka rason, di ko na siya patibihon. Okay, you sleep with your daddy.
Because you not want to watch TV there.
Uy, there is no
Blackmail, kini siya, balik yung mga rason niya.
Yeah.
Yup, ulo. Yun na si daddy, go to your daddy. You
Kaya
don't,
na lang na Mami Giselle.
you don't want me. You don't want me?
I want you. I want you. You not sharing a TV there my house. Yep.
Adlo ko nung kunin mo, oy. Dali na. Dagagigag arte, oy.
Asa mo siya? Dali ka,
Asa?
dito.
Still, kaya nila.
I hug you now. Asa mo ka?
Dali. Mga tagag na mga bata. Dito na.
Balik na ako.
Okay, bahala ka. Bantay ka. Bahala ka.